Artful time, come on, grab your friends. We'll go learn, have fun, and explore the bends. With Artful, your next door neighbor, the fun will never end. Artful time.
Hi, I'm Artemis. What time is it?
It's Artful time!
That's right. Welcome to my backyard garden. Gardening is a very fulfilling hobby that you should also take. Take a look at my tall shrub here. It has tiny berries on it. Let's take a closer look, shall we? I forgot the name of these berries. It starts with the fifth letter of the alphabet, the letter E. Do you know what berries are these?
Elderberries!
That's right. They are elderberries. So this is an elderberry shrub. Let's spell elderberry together. Ready? Start. E L D E R B E R R Y. Elderberry. Good job! An elderberry is a tiny, dark purple berry that's like a superhero for your body. It has special powers that help you fight off colds and flu, kind of like a tiny warrior. It's also good for your skin and helps you feel strong and healthy. Elderberries are used to make yummy things like jams, jellies, and even tasty syrups. Hey, I have that. I put it on my pancakes. It's like a secret ingredient that makes things taste even better. But remember, only the ripe berries of an elderberry shrub can be eaten. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you, much appreciated. You can ask your parents to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss new videos from Artful Time.